Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a penny stock that does look like it could break out. Now, this one does have a merger with FinTech Group that they are expecting at the end of the month. And I'm going to show you exactly on a technical analysis, exactly what I would be doing here and why I'd be doing it. Again, I'm going to show you exactly what exact indicators we're going to be using to see if this is going to be pushing up or down. Again, we did go over this in the last few videos. I'm going to go over specific technical analysis from now on because I want you guys to learn exactly what we're looking at here. I want you guys to really learn. So again, I am going to do this for you guys. I love you guys. I'm going to keep continuing to go into deep diving technical analysis for you guys so you guys can see when things might or might not come up or down so that way you guys can have better indications when you guys are trading anything. So again, I appreciate all you guys. Let's get right into it. Quick disclaimer, anything we do mention is purely for entertainment purposes. If you guys like financial advice, I recommend you contact a financial professional. However, we have been going play by play, day by day throughout the whole year. So if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you will be notified at a timely manner. And again, much love to everybody that does subscribe. We do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So be on the lookout for more of those. Now, I am going to go into LGHL again. This one is a technical play, and this one does have news coming in at the end of the month. Now, you can play this one of two ways. You can be buying the rumor and selling the news. You can play this one possibly running up to its previous breakout point where it was at 630, and it would possibly break out of this again. I'm going to go over exactly why I think this might go up. Again, I did buy into this, by the way, right before after hours today. I do like this as a possible run up going into the merger. But however, there is some speculation as it is a Chinese Bitcoin stock. Again, so you want to make sure you are very careful if this one does not merge or something goes wrong, some type of lawsuit happens, something really bad happens, this stock will go down as fast as you can blink. So again, you want to make sure you sell off as soon as possible if any bad news does come out. But however, LGHL so far looks like it's looking good. You could buy the rumor and sell the news, possibly running up to the next couple of weeks, or you could possibly hold it through the merger actually itself. So again, what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. Again, we do see volume that is starting to come in. We do see more of a confirmation on volume. This one is pushing up today. But again, we do like that it has gone above our previous volume when we were selling off. Again, we see a larger amount of buy volume, even though there was sell volume that came in, it was a larger amount of buy volume that came in. It looks like we could possibly be pushing up going into the merger. It would make sense for that to happen. Again, we do have our resistance here at 425. We want to break out of 425 ultimately. And if we can and hold above it, and this volume could continue to increase, we could possibly see a breakout going into this merger vote date to play the rumor and sell the news. Or again, like I said, we could play the merger and make sure we're playing very safe at that point, in my opinion, because if a merger doesn't go through, then like I said, the stock will go down as fast as you can blink. So again, we do need more volume. We want to see more volume on this one and break over 425. It is looking good. Again, this one does usually have about 4.5 million volume, and today they have about 10 million volume. They do have more than twice as much volume than they do on average. So again, that is widespread. That's not as deep as we want. But however, like I said, we see this confirmation on the big bar here. We've seen the last few videos I made. We did not see this confirmation on this big bar here. So again, we do like this huge big green bar here coming out, and we do like the sell volume that has been getting flat. So again, we do see the buy volume that came in. We want to see more buy volume than we saw here on the MACD. So again, this is the pressure of the stock. We want to see how much strength it has within this buy volume to push it up. So again, we do see that we are flat so far on the MACD. We do see a hard green candle right here coming in. It looks like it could possibly reverse and create a bigger buy pressure here, which would make sense, like I said, going into the merger. So my play here is this: if it holds over 425, again, that's what we're looking for. I did already buy into this one because of this green candle. I do have a tight stop loss. If it does sell off under 350, I'll probably sell off and make sure I play it safe if it did start to sell off at that point going into the merger, because at that point it could be possibly a bearish merger that a lot of investors are not confident in. So again, 350 would be my stop loss. But however, like I said, LGHL going into the merger could be one of those plays that go to the moon because, again, they are very cheap at a Bitcoin price that they are. And we do see what EBON and all these other prices are going like. We do see that they all are over $10, and we could possibly see LGHL go over $10 and over 100% gains within a day. So again, this is a high risk play, but however, I am playing into it very safe. I'm not putting too much into it. This is not a recommendation. This is what I'm doing. But however, these are the indications that you guys need to be watching. I'm going to continue to make sure that you guys learn as much as possible. I'm going to keep making sure that you guys get even deeper in understanding in charts as well. I appreciate all you guys. I love you guys. I'm going to keep doing this for you guys. And again, if you guys do have a watch list, throw it in the comment section. I love talking to you guys about anything. Ask questions, anything you want. Again, God bless you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.